What if I told you there's an AI tool, completely free to start, that businesses are desperately paying for right now? And no, it's not ChatGPT, it's not Midjourney. Most people have never even heard of it. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how it works, and how complete beginners are making real money with it this week. Stay until the end, because I'm also showing you the exact platform where people are paying $400 per hour for this skill. Let's go. Before I show you the tool, let me tell you what this video is not about. This is not about ChatGPT. You already know ChatGPT. This is not about selling things on Amazon. This is not about dropshipping. This is about one specific AI skill that took me completely by surprise. And the income potential is very real. The tool is called ElevenLabs. And here's why this is different from everything else you've seen. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator. It creates human-sounding voiceovers from text. You type words, it speaks them, in any voice, any accent, any emotion. Now here's where the money comes in. Amazon has a platform called ACX, the Audiobook Creation Exchange. Publishers upload books that need narration. Narrators get paid between $100 and $400 per finished hour of audio. With ElevenLabs, you don't need a microphone, you don't need a studio, you don't even need to speak. You generate the voice, you submit the audio, you get paid. One audiobook of 5 hours could pay you $500 to $2,000, and once it's done, it earns royalties forever. Now let me show you this is real. On ACX right now, I searched for open audiobook projects. There are hundreds of publishers looking for narrators this week. Beginner projects pay around $100 per finished hour. That means a 3-hour book pays $300. You finish one book per week. That's over $1,000 per month. And here's the part that makes this even better. You can use ElevenLabs completely free to start. Generate a sample, submit it. If they approve, you get the contract. No investment, just your laptop and internet. Here's exactly how to start today. Step 1, go to ElevenLabs.io, create a free account. Step 2, go to acx.com, create a narrator profile. Upload a sample of your AI voice. 1 to 2 minutes is enough. Step 3, search for open auditions. Filter by your preferred payment rate. Step 4, generate the audio using ElevenLabs. Edit it if needed using Audacity, which is completely free. Step 5, submit your audition. Most publishers respond within 2 weeks. That's it. 5 steps. No money needed, no special skills, just consistency. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Have you ever heard of ACX before today? Because next week I'm showing you tool number 2, and this one works even faster than ElevenLabs. People are making their first $100 within 48 hours. Subscribe right now so you don't miss it. And if this video helped you see something new today, share it with one person who needs to hear this. See you next week.